Salut, EP. Sorry for only just getting this up now. What I want you to have a look at now in the textbook is page 98, page 98. On page 98, we have a lot of really important vocab here. So at the top, it says à la plage, so at the beach. L'été dernier, last summer, Chico et Noemi ont passé une semaine à la plage. They spent a week. Just make the light here. Une semaine à la plage. Regarde les illustrations. So look at the image here. So what I want you to do here is first thing I want you to do is I want you to have a look. There's a lot of really important vocab that comes up here, okay? So the first one we got is des muettes. That is des muettes are your seagulls, okay? So just make a note of them there. You've got your une phare is your lighthouse. Then you got un bateau is a boat. Un nageur is a swimmer. Une jetty. So, une jetty is the equivalent of your like jetty, like like your kind of okay. Then you have got now the important ones are like kind of your sports. Une planche de surf, a surfboard. Yeah. Un château de sable. So sable is sand. Un château de sable is a sand castle. Then you've got une pelle, that's your spade. Un seau is a bucket. Then we've got une combinaison de plongée. So un combinaison de plongée is your wetsuit. Okay. Then we've got la crème solaire. That always comes up in lessons, so make sure just on crème solaire. Une serviette de plage, so that's your beach towel. This one's really important here. Un maillot de bain. Un maillot de bain is your swimsuit. Un parasol is like your parasol, like your sun. I can't remember what they call that in English. It's kind of the sun. I can't think of the wording. It's gone from my head. It doesn't matter. And coquillage is your seagull. And then the last one is une valise is your is like une valise is your. It's gone from my head now. Anyway, ignore that. I've had a bit of a got a blank there. So just first thing I want to do is make a note of that. Make a note of that vocab there, and just see how much. Note it all down, and just put it into your copy. Because the key ones, the really important ones, are planche de surf, maillot de bain, la crème solaire, and seau. Yeah, they're really important. And château de sable. Yeah, they're really, really important because you'll see them a lot. Une vague, a wave. So make sure just note that vocab, put it into your copy. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you note that vocab, put it into your copy. Okay, so just put it at the back. I also want you to note this vocab here. There's two. This is the vocab here. Super. These vocabs are so important here. Okay, so you got bronzer to get a tan, se reposer par un parasol to rest under a parasol, lire un livre to read a book, jouer au foot de plage to play beach football, jouer au beach volley to play beach volleyball, attraper les crabes to catch crabs, chercher des coquillages to look for your shells, faire du jogging to jog, bâtir un château de sable to build a sandcastle, to faire voler un cerf-volant to fly a kite. And then here you got their sport nautique. Now these are probably super important aussi. So nager dans la mer, to swim in the sea. Plonger dans la vague is to dive and play. So plonger is the verb to dive dans la vague. Faire du surf, to go surfing. Faire du kitesurf, to do kite surf. Faire du kayak de mer, that's your sea kayaking. Faire du ski nautique, to water ski. Faire de la voile, sailing. Star that one. Make sure you know that always comes up. And especially these two here. Faire de la planche à voile, to windsurf. So faire de la voile is sail. Faire de la planche à voile is to windsurf. And they always come up. Voile and planche à voile. And the last one, faire de la plongée avec tuba, to snorkel. So what I want you to do is, it's not a lot. I just want you to note this vocab in page 98, page 98. Note this vocab as well in the screen box on page 99, and I will attach the audio for this listening. So, à la plage en été, at the beach in summer. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? What do you like to do? So, all you're going to hear is you're going to hear these different activities here that's in this box, and you're just going to number them in here. Is that okay? And I'll put up a video going through it, okay? Next week, I'm going to get you to do a written piece, and then we're going to have a look back here at this passé composé, because we have to have a look at this passé composé again, okay? Especially the passé composé with avoir, the irregulars and the regulars. And then we're going to have a look at être. I sent you a video last week, but we're going to start having a proper look at this because it's, c'est très important. And then after that there's a few more activities, and there's a few more activities, but there's not a lot of it, like Lofty's into tourism, going to the tourist office, but otherwise it's quite okay. So well, this vocab is probably these two vocabs, this one and Page 99 on page 19 as well, are the two key things. So take these and note them, and I'll attach this listing. Okay. Merci beaucoup, les filles, and have a bon weekend.